this training video, we'll be introducing AdExchange's new user management feature, including details about account user roles and the different types of access levels available for each role. The account user role functionality allows buyers to add and manage their AdExchange account users and grant their employees access to specific features. By assigning account users, you can grant access to your AdExchange account to more users to view available products and publisher profiles in Marketplace, negotiate deals with publishers, and troubleshoot creatives using RTB Breakout. All this without exposing potentially sensitive parts of your account to those users, like your retargeting settings or your account and billing information. An account user can have one of three role types: administrator, view and negotiate, or view only. A user with the administrator role has full access to all features in the AdExchange account. They can manage all aspects of the account, including adding account users in the account settings, accessing the account's billing information, and accessing the retargeting settings. A user with the View and Negotiate role can view available products and publisher profiles in the Marketplace, negotiate and approve deals with publishers, and access all troubleshooting and reporting functionality like RTB Breakout, Query Tool, Creative Explorer, and Creative Validator. Users with the View Only role can access all the same Marketplace products, publisher profiles, and troubleshooting and reporting tools. The only difference is that these users can't negotiate or approve deals. So how do we add a new user and assign them a role? Let's demonstrate with an example. Our fictional DSP has an ad operations team that runs the account's retargeting and a separate sales team that's in charge of negotiating deals with publishers via the Marketplace. Since retargeting mistakes are potentially catastrophic, for example, your bidder might stop receiving RTB callouts altogether, the operations and engineering executives want to make sure that their sales team can't accidentally make retargeting changes. This new functionality allows them to make this distinction. Members of the operation team that runs the retargeting can get administrator rights, and their sales team, who only need to make deals, can obtain view and negotiate access. Let's see this in action. Let's start by adding a new account user to an AdExchange account by signing in, navigating to account settings, and selecting User Management Account Users. Since the ad operations team manages the account's retargeting settings, we can assign each person administrator rights. Let's start by adding Chris as an administrator. We can click the Plus User button. From here, we can fill in the name and email address fields. To assign a role, we can choose one out of the three from the drop-down menu. In this case, we can choose Administrator and click Save. We can see that Chris's status is pending. This will become active once Chris accepts an invitation that has been sent to his email, inviting him to join the AdEx account with his new role. Since the sales team need to negotiate deals with publishers and don't need to manage users or shouldn't be making any changes to retargeting configurations, we can assign them the View and Negotiate account role. Let's add Kate to demonstrate. We can fill in the name and email address fields with Kate's information. We then drop down the role options. This time, we select View and Negotiate and finish off by clicking Save. From the main screen, we can see that both users are marked as pending. Once Chris accepts his new role as account administrator and signs into AdEx, he'll be able to access all features in the account, including managing users via the account settings, billing information, and retargeting settings. Once Kate accepts the email invitation and signs into AdEx with her new View and Negotiate role, she'll have access to all troubleshooting and reporting functionality like RTB Breakout, Query Tool, Creative Explorer, and Creative Validator for SSL verification, and lastly, the Marketplace tab to negotiate and approve deals with publishers. Kate won't be able to see the account's retargeting settings, nor will she be able to access the account and billing information. So to finish, use account users today to open the right access level up to your colleagues to make deals, troubleshoot, or query your data without incurring the risk of accidental account changes or exposing sensitive account information. And that concludes our video on account user roles. For more training videos and resources, please visit the AdExchange Buyer Academy on our Help Center via the case-sensitive link displayed here. Thanks for watching.